Hey friends, welcome to our video. Our next style is so unique and so cool, but it's a little bit difficult. For this you just need to have a lot of practice because it's well said that practice makes a man perfect. For this you just have to do a lot of practice, and once you will be pro in this one, you can make it again and again in just few easy simple steps, and it will take some of your time, and then you don't need to visit any salon. See how beautiful and unique this hairstyle looks. Now we are going to create a hollow braid. For this we just have to first make the bun, then we have to take hair. The rest of the hair is converted into some cool braids. It's twice yours. We are here making the French braid, or we can say the fishtail braid. Just follow all these steps and cover the whole circle of your head and the bun. This one is a cap shaped high ponytail. For this we have to make the first half section of the hair, convert it into a cap shape. For this you have to make this braid by making some of the twist and making use of your fingers. Once this cap shape has been completed, then the rest of the hair is tied up in the form of the high ponytail as it's apparent on your screens. Just give it a try. For our next hairstyle, we just have to create a bun that's somewhat hump shaped, and we can say it's a hump shaped bun hairstyle look. It's very complicated, yet it may look so unique and different when it's made. You just need to have a lot of practice for this one, and you may need some rubber bands, some pins, some combs so that you can hold it well. It's a Dutch hairstyle. For this you just need some of the rubber bands, then you have to make the ponies. After that you have to pull some of the hair from the right and the left side. In the same way you just have to repeat this procedure till the length of your hair like we are doing here. At last you will get this awesome look. Let's come to our next hairstyle. For this you have to make first high ponytail using a rubber band. After that you have to take some of the hair from the same pony and you have to tie them up using the another rubber band. Then you have to follow some twists and the turns. You have to take the hair from inside out as apparent on your screens. Let's wrap our video. For this hairstyle you just need the hairdo tool. As you can see how we are taking the hair from inside out by following all these steps. This one is so cool, it will give some volume to your hair and this may look very nice and beautiful and pretty. Just follow our videos. Thanks for watching.